And that's one of the great things that JX Tactical does, is they make the holster specific to the gun that you have. Now, because there are so many guns out there, they don't have every single one out there. But they did have this one, and I have been looking for one for this one. As you guys know, I have a Joker holster that I got at the Indiana Gun Show a couple of months ago. And although it is custom made to fit this, my biggest problem was the clips. The clip on that one was made for a bigger belt, and it needed to be a tactical belt